everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. During this time of crisis, I really hope everybody is staying home and safe. So while we do that, one of the major problem we girls are facing right now is hair, the facial hair. How do we get rid of this? I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this facial hair at home using a Veet wax strip. So before we start with the process, you have to make sure that you exfoliate your skin. I will be starting with washing my face, scrubbing and drying it. You can see my eyebrows growth. I am going to fill my eyebrows. By doing so, I'll have a boundary which I should not be crossing while waxing. I am going to comb now with the spoolie in my eyebrow pencil. Let's start by applying some talcum powder. I am cutting these strips into smaller pieces, which makes it easier to be precise and also makes the process less painful. I am taking a very tiny piece for the eyebrows. As you know, we need to be very precise. I am going to start from one corner. Do not pull the hair in the same place continuously. You might end up hurting yourself. So once you pull the hair in one place, give that place a rest and you can repeat it after some time. Also, you can use one strip multiple times. Use it until it fails to pull the hair. For those very few small stubborn hair, you can always use this tweezer in the end. Use the scissor to trim the eyebrows. Yay! We are done with eyebrows and the result looks pretty impressive. Starting with forehead, I am going to take a bigger strip. I am using the Veet wipes which comes with the Veet wax strip. This is going to remove all the extra wax which is stuck there. Moving ahead to chin. Because I am used to threading my face, I am taking a bigger strip. If you are new to this, please do it with smaller strips. Do not pull the hair in the same place continuously. You might end up hurting yourself. So once you pull the hair in one place, give that place a rest and you can repeat it after some time. doing this step to remove the excess wax which is stuck to my face. Post which I am wiping everything with the Veet wipes which comes with a Veet wax strip. Retain it for 10 minutes and wash your face with only water and apply lots of aloe vera gel. Give your face a good massage. Make sure you do not apply any makeup and wait at least for 1 day after doing this process. As you can see, I am pretty happy with the result and I was able to remove all the excess hair. I hope this video was useful, and people with sensitive skin, do not try this at home, and people who have healthy skin and who are used to threading and waxing your face, you can easily go for this method. I'll see you again with an interesting topic. Till then, bye.